one of the ways that you can try to do this one is that try to break down this that is not part of the square root by doing that 3 multiplied by the square root of the square root of x plus 3 equals to 9. So this is not part of this. It's like 3 multiplied by x. So if it's like 3 multiplied by x, what we would do is that whatever that is next of, we divided by it. So it means we must divide by what? By this 3 here to cancel this 3. And then after this 3 is cancelled, we'll be left with what? The square root of x plus 3 equals to 3, 1, and then 3 is 3. So we have 3 there, because 9 divided by 3 is 3. So once it's like this, we have a square root of x plus 3 equals to 3. So we need to kill this square root, and in order for us to kill this square root, what we know about square roots is that the square root of a is similar to the square root of 1 over 2. So we need to change this square root to be 1 over 2. So we are going to say the square root of x plus 3 into 1 over 2 equals to 3. So we have changed this square root to be what? Exponent 1 over 2. So after changing this square root to be exponent 1 over 2, we need to kill this square root. So to kill this 1 over 2, you need to find the reciprocal. So to find the reciprocal of 1 over 2 is that you take this 2 up and then you take this 2 down. So the reciprocal of 1 over 2 is the same as 2 over 1. So it means that you multiply by what? This exponent by 2 over 1, and then also here by what? 2 over 1. So this 2 will cancel this 2, 1 cancel this 1. So now we'll be left with what? The square root of x plus 3 equals to 3 squared. 3 to the exponent 2 over 1 is like 3 squared, because any number divided by 1 is that number. So here is the same as we are as saying what? 3 squared. So 3 squared is what? It is 9. So we have 9 now. So what is here now is that there's plus 3, which we can take to what? To this other side. So let us take it. We will be left with the square root of x is equal to 9 minus 3. So what is 9 minus 3? So 9 minus 3 becoming what? It is 6. So 9 minus 3, it is 6. And then we have the square root of x. So we have the square root of x is equals to 6. So now we change, let us change this square root. So to change this square root, we'll put what? 1 over 2 exponent. And already we know that the reciprocal of 1 over 2 is 2 over 1. So we multiply by the reciprocal, which is what? 2 over 1. Also on this side, what? 2 over 1. So this 2 will cancel this 2, 1 will cancel this 1, will be left with x is equals to. So we have 6. I say that any number divided by 1 is that number. So it means here it's like 6 squared. So it's like 6 squared. Let me put it right. It's like 6 squared. And then what is 6 squared? It is what? 36. So it means that x is equals to 36.